In this video, I will show you how to save a route on Google Maps. Saving a route is easy and helpful. It allows you to find your way quickly without searching every time. You can save routes for places you visit often or new places you want to explore. To get started, open up the Google Maps app. Once you've got the app open, it's time to set your desired route. For this example, let's search for California. After selecting it, tap on the Directions button. This will bring up options for getting there. Next, enter your starting location by tapping here and typing in where you'll be starting from. Google Maps will automatically find the best route. It's important to select how you'll be traveling, whether by car, public transport, foot, or bicycle. Each option provides different routes tailored to that mode of transport. Now that your route is ready and correctly set up, look towards the top right corner of your screen for 3 little dots. Tap on those dots. A menu will appear with several options. From these options, tap on Add Route to Home Screen. You'll then see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add this route as an icon on your home screen. Tap Add to confirm. And just like that, the route has been saved as an icon on your home screen. Whenever you're ready to use it again, simply tap that icon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.